This is going to be a tutorial on how to change your key battery in your LEXUS ES300 hybrid. This is what the key looks like. And when you see here, there's a little push button here. And when you push on one end, the other end goes up. Then you pull the key out. And when you look inside, there's a little slot right here. It's like a hole. And you can actually use the end of your key to stick it in there. And you give it a little push and a twist, and it opens right up. Looks a little bit scary, but this is how it's supposed to be, so don't worry. Then you take this little slab out, like that. And then right here, just put your fingernail in. Take the battery right out. Battery size is 2032. CR2032. Put that aside. Put the new one in. Just go pop, slip it right in. Then make sure you line everything up and it sits in there nice and cozy. Just like that. Cover it right back up. And you'll hear all the corners click. That's when you know you're good. And then you just stick the key back in. You're good. There you go. Hope this helps, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks.